Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the private DNS server you will use and confirming whether you want encrypted transport, such as DNS over TLS or DNS over HTTPS. Once done, collect the server IP or hostname, any credentials, and which port to use, 853 for DO-T or 443 for DO-H. Make sure to back up your current adapter settings so you can restore them if needed. Now open your network adapter settings and locate the IP4/IP6 DNS fields to prepare for the change. Next, edit the DNS fields in your operating system. On Windows, open Adapter Properties, select IP4 or IP6, and enter the private DNS IPs as preferred and alternate. On Mac OS, add the server under Network right arrow Advanced right arrow DNS and configure a DO-H client if required. On Linux, use Network Manager or edit Systemd Resolved to set DNS equals and enable DNS over TLS if supported. After entering addresses, save and restart the network interface. This applies the new routing for DNS queries immediately. To finish, flush your DNS cache and run nslookup or dig explicitly against the private server to confirm resolution. If lookups fail, ping the server IP to confirm network reachability, then verify the firewall allows DNS ports, 53 for plain DNS, 853 for DO-T, 443 for DO-H, and ensure the DNS service is running on the server. Make adjustments on the server or client as needed. And if problems persist, restore your backed up settings and document the change so you can retry with a controlled rollback.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.